if I am not wrong, then one confusion is going on in your mind that I should focus on August exam or December exam. And because of that, you are getting confused. What I should do now? I should learn the new topic, or I will go for only revision and practice for August exam. So for this doubt, I am recording this video. I know that most of the students are facing this doubt. And please watch the video till the end, and if you are new to this channel, definitely subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for UGC NET set preparation, and especially for the computer science preparation in this channel for all the exam, not only for UGC NET, other exam also you can get all the content here for computer science and paper 1 UGC NET also. So first of all, you need to set a realistic goal. You need to understand your capability. What is your realistic goal? You have to ask yourself. Now you have 20 days time, right? Where you are means paper 1, paper 2, if your syllabus 70 to 80% is already covered means covered, completely covered, and conceptually you are very strong in that area. Whenever you are trying to attempt those questions, then you are getting correct score in the question. Whenever you are attempting mock test, then you are getting a stable good score in the mock test for paper 1 and paper 2. Stable good score means I am telling like that in paper 2 you are getting more than 100 score at least, and in paper 1 at least you are getting more than 50 score. It means 50%, at least you are getting more than 50% score in the mock test. Then definitely I will suggest you, yes, you can completely focus on August exam, and wherever you are strong, revision it, revise it, practice it more, and then you can get a good score in August exam. And try to learn some new small topics, static topic, whatever questions are coming on those mock tests, and at the time of practicing UGC NET previous year's question, set previous year's question, GATE, ISRO, those previous year's question, just focus on that area. Don't try to learn so many difficult time taking conceptual topic, maths conceptual topics, algorithm, TOC, those are the where some conceptual topic you left. Don't go with that. Theoretical, some small topics you can learn, like graphics, software engineering, AI, computer architecture, operating system, DBMS. These are the theoretical unit. In this theoretical unit, if you left some static topic, then definitely you can learn those topic. And some advanced area of computer science like cloud computing, some questions, some small topics, big data, Hadoop, data warehouse, data mining, those small topics, whatever related questions are coming, you can do that. But if you are not getting 50% score, if your score is going very low till now, if you know that yes, I did not cover 70% of the syllabus, even also 50% of the syllabus also I did not cover, whenever I am trying to attempt the mock test, then I am getting very low score in paper 1 also, in paper 2 also. Whenever I am trying to solve the PYQS, I am most of the question I am not able to understand, it is going top of my mind, then this is not your time. Yes, I will not telling you that you will not attempt the August exam. Definitely attempt August exam. Take it seriously and take it as a experience. This August exam will give you experience that yes, how to handle the exam, how to attempt the exam, and you will put your level best on those area where you are confident. Yes, whatever topic you have already done, your exam will be you with yourself. Your exam will be not in 100 marks, means not in 300 marks. You can focus that yes, whatever syllabus I have covered, maybe 30%, 40% syllabus I have covered, my target will be on those questions, I will not do mistake. So I will focus on those area, whatever I have already covered, I will revise those area. And in this time, I will learn the new topic also. Because with the exam pressure, you will be able to learn more. Because exam pressure is a good time where you can learn more. You can increase your capability by learning more new topic. Even also some conceptual topic, math also you can learn in this time, because ultimately August is not your target is December. But by chance it may be possible by learning those new topics and revising, if luck factor is going on fine, and if you are able to do well in exam hall, then maybe you can crack it also. But don't fix your target like that. But you have to be like a free mind. Go to exam hall like a free mind. It is a try. Just let's try it. If it is going on good, then maybe I can do it. In this upcoming 20 days, focus on those topic more where the scoring topic and it is base area. Like in our paid batch, now it is going on math, discrete math, that is unit 1, and programming. We are focusing on that. 3 days we are doing math, 2 days or 3 days we are doing programming, because this is main area. Where math, discrete math is giving you 15 question, near about 15 question means 30 marks, and programming is giving you at least 5 questions. So total 5 and 15 means 20 question means 40 marks. And whenever you are starting preparation, then always I prefer that to focus on those core area: discrete math, data structure, algorithm, programming. This core area is actually giving you 50 to 60 marks, 50 to 60 marks in the exam. So it is the time where you have to learn this subject, and this subject if you are learning, then you are getting good confidence. Now how I will divide the time: 50% of the time you can learn those new topic, remaining 50% of the time you can practice the topic whatever you learn. In our paid course it is going on like this only. The evening batch is going on for practice, where throughout the syllabus every day I am taking live mock test, near about 25 question, 30 question, 40 question we are trying to solve in live mock test. So you can definitely attempt it. Yes, the live mock test, doing the live mock test, you can understand how many question I am able to do. You can learn something new, you can get the idea, yes, these are the topics I have to learn more. You can definitely focus on this area. So 50% of the time means, that's why morning time you can focus on learning new topic, evening time you can focus on practice yourself, mock test and all. Definitely you can attempt full length mock test also to judge yourself. Definitely you can practice the PYQS question to understand that PYQS pattern and how many questions I am able to do. And morning focus on new topic. This is the way if you are planning, then your August exam will be also good, and you will be ready enough for the December exam. And before December, definitely your 80 to 90% syllabus will be covered, and you will get a good confidence. This is the way if you are planning, then it is the correct utilization of time, without expecting unrealistic thing that in this 20 days I will be able to cover everything, I will be able to crack the exam. That is unrealistic thing. In this 20 days, those who did previously preparation, they will be able to crack it. Those who did not prepared well, those who did not cover the syllabus, they will be not able to crack it. It is the fact, it is the truth. I am telling always true. I am not telling any unrealistic thing. What is not possible, what is not possible to achieve. Always our target, always our goal should be achievable and realistic. Unrealistic goal, unachievable target is making us, we are getting more frustration, we are feeling demotivated. Rather than that, be realistic, be feasible, set your achievable target, and understand yourself better way, so that you will not feel demotivated. You will understand the reality, and you will be ready enough to get the success on time. Thank you. Bye. See you soon in my next video.